Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to start over in TurboTax. Whether you've made some big mistakes on your tax return or just want a fresh start, this guide will walk you through the process safely and easily. Stick with me till the end, and you'll be ready to reset your TurboTax return like a pro. First, let's talk about why you might want to start over. The Start Over feature in TurboTax is perfect if you realize there are significant errors on your return or if you want to approach your filing differently. It's essentially a clean slate for your taxes, but keep in mind, this action cannot be undone, so make sure you're certain before moving forward. Now, let's dive in. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the official TurboTax website. Once you're there, sign into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Once logged in, you'll land on your TurboTax home screen. Think of this as your command center. It's where you manage all aspects of your tax filing. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu option labeled Tax Tools. Click on that to expand your options. Within the expanded menu, select Tools. Here you'll see a list of utilities designed to help manage your taxes. Look for the option that says Clear and Start Over. Click on it, and TurboTax will ask you to confirm your decision. Remember, this step cannot be reversed, so double-check that you really want to erase your current return. If you're sure, simply click Yes to confirm. In a few moments, TurboTax will clear your current tax return, and you'll be ready to start from scratch with a fresh, blank return. From here, you can enter your information anew, correct past mistakes, or try a different filing approach, and that's it. Starting over in TurboTax is straightforward, but it's powerful, so always be certain before you hit that Yes button. I hope this guide helped you feel more confident managing your taxes. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy-to-follow tax tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy filing.